students, we are having rapid round, and here I will ask you some Marathi sentences and you have to tell me in English. Okay? And I told you, even there will be some phrases also, some structures also. On that basis, I'm going to ask you some sentences. Okay? Yeah. And while I'm asking questions, you have to just raise your hand and you have to answer. Don't answer in common. Your answer should be by raising your hand. I will ask you and then only you have to answer. Okay. And your first sentence is, मी घरी जाणारच होते इतक्यात मला फोन आला. Yes?
I was about to go for home. At that time, the phone rang.
Yes. The phone rang, we can say. Very nice. Next sentence is there. मी जाणारच आहे. Yes?
I was about to go.
Is it right?
No.
Then?
I am about to go.
Yes, I am about to go because I said मी जाणारच आहे. So I am about to go. Very good. Now next question is there. You have to use a phrase that is a hard nut to crack in your own sentence. A hard nut to crack. First of all, you tell me the meaning of this phrase and then use it in your own sentence. Who will? Akshara, can you? Yes, Rutuja, please.
Hard nut to crack. It means very difficult.
Good.
UPSC exams are a hard nut to crack.
Very good. UPSC exams are hard nut to crack. And the meaning of this phrase is very difficult. Very nice. Now, next question is there. That is, मला काल आईस्क्रीम खायचं होतं. मला काल आईस्क्रीम खायचं होतं. Yes, Vedika.
Yesterday I wanted to eat ice cream.
Very good. Yesterday I wanted to eat an ice cream. Now next question is there. Now there is one phrase that is a piece of cake. Okay? You have to tell me the meaning and then you have to use in your own sentence. Yes, Akshara, please.
A piece of cake. It means the thing is very easy.
Yes.
For example, to drive scooty is a piece of cake.
Okay. To drive scooty is a piece of cake. Very nice. Now next question is there. मला इंग्लिश शिकायचं आहे. मला इंग्लिश शिकायचं आहे.
I want to learn English.
Very good. I want to learn English. Now next question is for you and that is a phrase that is to kick the bucket. You have to tell me the meaning and then you have to use in English. To kick the bucket.
To kick the bucket means the thing is expired.
Good. Okay.
My dog kicks bucket.
Kicked bucket. Yes, very good. My dog kicked the bucket. Very good. Nice. Now next question is there for you and that is मला घरी जायचं नाही. मला घरी जायचं नाही. मला घरी जायचं नाही. Suranjali?
I don't want to home.
Something is missing there. Bharat, will you correct?
I don't want to go home.
Yes, I don't want to go home. Okay, very good. I don't want to go home. Now next sentence is there. मला खेळायला जायचं होतं पण आईनं बोलवलं. मला खेळायला जायचं होतं पण आईनं बोलवलं. Yes.
I wanted to go for playing. At that time, my mother called me.
Very good. I wanted to go to play or for playing. At that time, my mother called. Very nice. Now next is there and that is a bad egg. This is a phrase. You have to tell the meaning and then you have to use in your own sentence. Yes, Arnav.
Bad egg means bad man.
Okay. Use it in your own sentence.
My friend is bad egg.
Very good. My friend is bad egg. Now your next sentence is there. मी अभ्यासाला बसणारच होते इतक्यात माझ्या मैत्रिणीचा फोन आला. मी अभ्यासाला बसणारच होते इतक्यात माझ्या मैत्रिणीचा फोन आला. वेदिका? मी अभ्यासाला बसणारच होते इतक्यात.
I was about to study. At that time, my friend called me.
Very good. I was about to study. At that time, my friend called me. Now, next is for Deep. And your sentence is, मला घरी जायचं आहे.
I want.
Be loudly. मला घरी जायचं आहे.
I